cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. Good morning, and very good morning, wow kids. It's time for our washy activity. Go wash your hands and come. And until then, ma'am will be playing this rhyme for you.
It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you understand. So we washy, clean, scrub, scrub. We start with washing palm to palm. Between each finger, let us rub. Now the back of the hands, it's such a simple plan. We washy, clean, scrub, scrub. Clean the base of the thumb one by one. Then the back of the fingers, this is fun. Don't forget your fingernails, it's about details. We washy, clean, scrub, scrub. Now move on to the wrist, let us rub. I think we're nearly done, so now what? Just rinse the soap away, dry our hands and we're okay. We washy, clean, scrub, scrub. So we washy, clean, scrub, scrub. We washy, clean, scrub, scrub. It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you understand. We washy, clean, scrub, 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 scrub.
It's our rhyme time now. What is our first rhyme? It's about Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock, Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock, Hickory Dickory Dock. It's our second rhyme now. It's about Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pile of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pile of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. What is our third rhyme? Sha! Yes, Mickey. Mickey on a railway picking up stones. Down came an engine and broke Mickey's bone. Ah, says the Mickey, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. This is our last rhyme. It's I'm a little teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and here is my spout. When the water is boiling, hear me shout. Just lift me up and pour me out.
Hi cuties, today we are going to learn about few and many. Let's see, there are 2 objects here. One is crayons and another one is spoon. So see here, this is only few items is here like crayons, and here many. So this is few, and like this many. Few, many, and like this spoon, only few spoons is here and there are many spoons. So this is many. Few, many. Few, many. Few, many. And another 2 objects like sketches and bangles. So here this is only few sketches is here and here many. So here few bangles and here many. So this is few, many, few, many, few, many, and here few, many, few, many, few, many. Hi cuties, now I will show some pictures about few and many. See these pictures, there are many balloons is here and only this picture shows few. So this is few and like this many, few, many, few, many, few, many. And next picture like this, there are so many puppies and few puppies is here. Which one is few? Like this. Yes, it's few. And like this, many. Few, many. Few, many. Few, many. And next picture, cat. Yes. There are many cats. And like this, only few cats. Okay, this is few and many. Few, many, few, many. Look at this picture. There are few and many parrots. So like this, few parrots is here and many parrots this picture. So few, many, few, many, few, many. Hi cuties, today we are going to learn about opposite. Let's start cuties. Heart, H-O-T, heart. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Heart, cold, heart, cold. And next, good. G-O-O-D, good. Bad, B-A-D, bad. Good, bad, good, bad, good, bad. And next, down, D-O-W-N, down. U-P, up, down, down, up, down, up. And next, long, L-O-N-G, long. Short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Long, short, long, short, long, short. Next, far, F-A-R, far, near. N-E-A-R, near, far, near, far, near, far, near.
With this, we are ending our today's session. Meet you tomorrow with another set of activities and learning. Until then, eat well, sleep well, help your mama, help your papa and stay safe.